Let me introduce Oppo's latest breakthroughs in Super Vooc flash charge technology to you. Oppo was the first smartphone brand to explore the field of fast charging technology. We first launched Vooc on the Find 7 in 2014, which could charge to 70% in 30 minutes. This was 8 years ago. And today, it's still a decent charging speed. During the past years, we have been improving our charging technology vigorously. As of December 2021, the number of Oppo flash charge users has exceeded 220 million globally. The blazing charging speed has made their life more efficient. And all that is about to change today, as Oppo's new flash charge technology is going to usher in a new era. I'd like to introduce the 150-watt Super Vooc with BHE, the world's first charging solution that combines fast charging and an extended battery lifespan. The newest 150-watt Super Vooc features Oppo's new generation of direct pump charging technology, coupled with its exclusively customized 6C batteries. It is capable of charging at a maximum of 20 volt, 7.5 ampere. A 4,500 mAh battery can be easily filled up to 50% in 5 minutes and 100% in just 15 minutes. With this brand new charging solution, even if you forget to charge overnight, you can easily juice up your device to full while walking through your morning routine. Farewell to low battery anxiety. Is this impressive? But Oppo Flash Charge is not just about high voltage and current. It's more about battery safety, compatibility, and lifespan. This cycles back to our philosophy of designing the best user experience. That's why we dramatically improved the battery life and speed when we approached the 150-watt Super Vooc. The measure of battery lifespan in the smartphone industry is the number of charging cycles. Most phones on the market can retain 80% after 800 cycles of charging from dead to full. However, with Oppo 150-watt Super Vooc, we were able to double them to 1,600 times. What does this really mean for users? Well, let's assume that a user charges the phone from 0 to 100% every day. Their battery would still be very healthy even after 4 years of use. Behind this breakthrough, there is an exclusive technology developed by Oppo that spans 3 years. We call it Battery Health Engine, or BHE for short. It is powered by our customized battery management chip and includes two core technologies: Smart Battery Health Algorithm and Battery Healing Technology. The Smart Battery Algorithm can track the cathode of the battery in real time and control it within a reasonable range. The Smart Current Regulation reduces the probability of causing dead lithium cells, thereby extending the battery lifespan significantly. The Battery Healing Technology occurs at the chemical level. By improving the electrolyte formula, the electrodes are continuously repelled during charging cycles, reducing the damage done to the anodes and cathodes. This is how BHE raises the charging speeds and extends the battery lifespan significantly. Many of you may still believe that fast charging technologies may damage batteries. Hopefully, that notion will become obsolete after learning about Oppo revolutionary BHE today. We will include both 150-watt Super Vooc and BHE to more Oppo devices in the future for more users. I'm glad to announce that starting today, the BHE will become a staple for Oppo and OnePlus mid to high-end products. We hope to inspire more brands to focus on extending battery life. It will be our pleasure to jointly usher in a new era of fast charging together. The first product to feature this will be the upcoming OnePlus launched in the second quarter of this year. Finally, there is a surprise that I would like to share, the latest achievements of the Oppo Research Institute. I believe it will redefine our understanding of flash charge technology. Here it is. This is Oppo's 240 Super Vooc, the fastest smartphone charging technology in the world. A 4,500 mAh battery can be fully charged in just 9 minutes. At present, we are still working hard to polish it to further improve battery life and energy density.